To apply for a radio presenter position, you need a radio demo. I'll show you the best formula for creating your own radio demo. Join the Inspire Presenter Club, private Facebook group, get help and support, discounts on merch, first access to new content and exclusive videos. Now the music to advert has the same beginning but has no content, only an advert read which ends off with you playing a recorded advert instead of a song. This would go a little something like this. Tony Greatness and More Than Me on 98.7 True Music Radio. If you're looking for a new home or are looking to sell, look no further than Sparklight Estate Agency. With more than 3 decades of experience and some of the best homes on the market, Sparklight Estate Agency are the right people for you. Now, find your way to the world of bathroom. And then the advert read. This is intended to be the voice that would be used in a produced radio advert and not a live advert read, like the previous link. It will only be your voice and no music or any other content to link to, and it can be completely made up and sound something like this. Discover tranquility at Nature Spa today. Massages, meditation saunas, and beautiful gardens to experience and unwind. We have trained teachers and holistic healers on staff 24/7. Come and find yourself at Nature Spa today. Call 555 2755. And then the newsread. This is a short newsread article that you can get from any radio station. It does help to record a news off an actual radio station and then type out the script from the news clip. The reason this works well is that it will already be in the right format for radio. Print news is not as easy to use and you will need to rewrite it. You will only need one article because it needs to be short. You will start off with a news jingle if you have one, or simply start by saying, "In the news this hour." Good afternoon, my name is Bob for Radio Station News. In breaking news, the local police have reported a crime which has gone unnoticed for many days. That is that the head of the local town statue has been replaced with a bowling ball. The local statue support group has expressed their outrage, and law enforcement is interviewing witnesses who may have noticed something. I'm Bob for Radio Station News. It's 5:02. That is the complete structure of a demo. Be sure to include your phone number in the title of the audio clip. Contact details can get lost, and having your number in the file title means it never gets lost. How you present your demo will depend on your country and the radio station you approach. In most cases, though, you will send an audio file via email. The first thing to do, though, is to find the right person to send it to. The audio file should be as high quality as you can get, with 320 megabits per second being a good option for MP3, but no lower than 120 megabits per second. If you send an AAC file, it can be lower, but as long as the overall file is less than 3 megabytes, you should be fine to keep the quality high. When you send your demo, be sure to send a CV or curriculum vitae with it. Keep in mind the manager is only really interested in your radio experience, so put that right at the beginning of the CV. If you have no experience, put whatever training you've done, whether it's an online course or physical classes. If you don't have that, at least create something that you have your friends and family listen to that you can have as experience. This can actually be loads of fun, and I highly recommend it. By creating your own home broadcast that you don't put out to the public, you don't have to worry too much about copyright issues or about messing up and being embarrassed. Your family will hopefully still love you even when you suck as a DJ. The more you practice, the better you will get. So get working on your home studio and get working on that demo. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to watch more of these great radio presenter training videos, and keep an eye out for my full radio presenter training course. Best of luck and go make a difference to your life. See you next time.